Friends, today in this video, we will know what is meditation and what miracles can happen in our life by meditating. Meditation is a thoughtless, conscious state, which is not sleep nor samadhi, in which the person is completely under his control. But in this state, the person's mind disappears, whereby he does not use his mind to analyze anyone, think about anyone, or talk about anyone. In this state, there is no worldly thought in his mind, but he is fully conscious. Meditation is the seventh of the 8 limbs of yoga, which is the state before samadhi. Meditation is not thinking of anything. In the true sense, meditation is such a feeling of deep peace that occurs when the mind is calm from within. True meditation is one in which, instead of thinking about the unchangeable past and uncertain future, every moment of the present is lived with full energy and enthusiasm. Simply put, meditation is to become one with every moment of the present with full awareness. Now, we will talk about those 10 benefits of regular meditation which can change the life of any person completely. The first and foremost benefit of meditating is that we can keep our mind under control. If we look carefully, our mind is always comparing us with someone, or thinking about our past or making plans for the future. That is, we have no control over our mind. It wanders here and there of its own free will. Whereas the mind is like a tool for us, and we should use it according to our need. But it does not happen. And our solution to this problem is meditation. By meditating daily, our control over our mind and thoughts increases. Then the mind does not run us, we run the mind. The second is, meditation lowers our sleep quota. When we sleep, all the muscles of the body that are broken during the day repair themselves, and the body or mind fills itself with energy for the next day's work. A huge part of the energy inside us is used by our brain, and our brain wastes a huge part of this energy in thinking unnecessary thoughts, worrying, anger, etc. But by meditating, our mind remains calm, by which we get rid of habits like overthinking, worrying, anger, and a large part of our urban energy is saved from wasting. Additionally, by meditating, our whole body remains relaxed, so that inside the body, there is also less destruction of cells and muscles. So when we sleep, the mind needs less energy, and the body needs less repair, due to which our sleeping time decreases. Third, meditation makes us live longer. Now, some people will not believe this, but it is scientifically proven that people who meditate for a long time have seen an increase in their age. This has already been told in Indian yogic scriptures, but science has accepted it now that we humans do not get years to live, but the number of breaths. If we deepen and slow our breaths in some way, we can live longer, and meditation is the only way by which the breaths can be made longer and deeper. This is the reason why yogis and sages who meditate for years live a very long life. Okinawa is an island in Japan. The people here live the longest life in the world, that too happily, and most people without any disease. When some explorers tried to find out the secret behind the long life and happy life of the people here, they came to know that the people here lead a very simple life, and they were unknowingly following all the habits that meditation teaches us, like staying connected with nature, working, eating, living in the present, not worrying, setting a goal of your life, etc., which has already been told in our yogic culture. The explorers were so impressed by the people of Okinawa that they wrote an entire book called Ikigai to tell the secret of the happy and long life of the people there. Fourthly, meditation reduces anxiety and stress from our life. First of all, know what is worry. Worrying is thinking about anything again and again. When we think excessively about anything, work, or person, and start thinking of it as a burden, tension is created. Then this tension gives rise to our anger. But by meditating, the intensity of the thoughts arising in our mind works, and concentration increases, due to which we think less about any problem and become more focused towards its solution. And in this way, meditation reduces the anxiety and stress from our life. Fifth, meditation increases our physical attractiveness. By meditating, the brightness of our face increases. Attraction comes easily in the eyes, heaviness, pause, and sweetness in the voice, due to which people like to listen to us. Due to meditation, our body remains relaxed throughout the day, due to which there is a balance in the way we walk, sit, talk, due to which our personality becomes a magnetic personality that attracts everyone. People like to be with us. want to talk to us, want to know about us, because by meditating, there is a miraculous change in our personality. If you keep meditating for many years, it makes you a mysterious person in the eyes of people. Sixth, meditation teaches us to live in the present. The basic principle of meditation rests on living in the present. Meditation brings us out of the past and the future and brings us into the present. The biggest problem of our life is that we are not able to live in the present. We either think about yesterday or tomorrow. If we learn to live only in the present, then 95% of our problems will be solved automatically, because then we become aware, see things and problems as they really are. We don't exaggerate or underestimate them. They are just as they are, and this is the right way to solve problems. First of all, understand that what is the problem. And such a vision of looking at problems this way can only come from meditation, because meditation teaches us to see the present. Seventh, meditation cultivates compassion and love in us. We learn to forgive people. First of all, understand that we ourselves benefit the most by forgiving, because it reduces the hatred, anger, and jealousy inside us. So forgive people, not for them, but for your benefit, because forgiving makes us happier and more peaceful. By meditating, our positive spirit becomes stronger. Instead of looking at the shortcomings of people, we pay more attention to their strengths. Also, meditation makes us compassionate from within, because meditation gives us such a vision that we can easily understand the suffering, pain, and feelings of others. Eighth, meditation increases our confidence. The biggest reason for our low self-confidence is comparing ourselves to others. Or if someone made us feel weak in the past, keep this thing in your heart. Or remembering your past defeats again and again, and to feel that the same thing will happen to me in the future. These are some of the mental reasons that break our self-confidence. But meditation clears our old negative thoughts from our mind and gives space to new positive thoughts, due to which our confidence increases. It has been proved in many experiments that, with continuous meditation, we can reprogram our brain. Meditating also boosts our confidence. Ninth, meditation increases our concentration. If we are not able to concentrate on any work, then the biggest reason for this is the thoughts constantly arising in our mind. Our mind cannot remain thoughtless, even for a few seconds, because this is its job to generate thoughts continuously. But meditation regulates the frequency of thoughts arising in our mind, due to which our mind starts to concentrate easily, and we are able to do our work in a more focused way. So, friends, I hope you have got to know about meditation and its benefits through this video. Thank you for watching.